Hey guys, welcome to Digit.n. Today we have with us the Tagg Metal wired earphones. Before unboxing, let's take a look at the box itself. On the sides of the box, you see some of the included features such as the built-in mic and the multifunction button. Now let's open up the box. Inside the box, you have the earphones themselves, an extra set of ear tips, and the user manual. Now coming to the earphones. These earphones are metallic and of a good build quality. It weighs 9.7 grams. The ear tips are made of an aluminum alloy. It's got an ergonomic design and fits in your ear perfectly. These earphones have got 10 mm speaker drivers, giving you a clear sound with a powerful bass. It's got a frequency response of 20 to 20,000 Hz with an impedance of 16 ohms. Coming down, you see the inline microphone and the one multifunction button which can be used for playing or pausing music, ending calls, or to switch to the next or the previous track in your track list. Now coming to the cable. The cable is 1.2 meters long and is tangle free. It seems to be of a sturdy build quality as well. Coming further down, you see the 3.5 mm headphone pin, which is gold plated. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of the Tagg Metal wired earphones. Thank you for watching and goodbye.